Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to send Bitcoin from Kraken to Exmo in 2025. If you're looking to move your Bitcoin between exchanges for better rates or security, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember that crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Exmo, and that you have some Bitcoin in your Kraken wallet. Start by logging into your Kraken account using your secure credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Funding section. By 2025, interfaces might have evolved, but it should be easy to find. Next, select Bitcoin from your list of assets. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. You'll need to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address, which you can get from your Exmo account. Head over to Exmo, log in, and go to your wallet section to copy your Bitcoin deposit address. Pro tip: always verify that you're pasting the correct address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Back on Kraken, paste the Exmo address into the withdrawal form. You'll also need to specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Don't forget to leave enough for any network fees, which in 2025 might be even lower thanks to advancements in blockchain tech. Review all the details carefully, then confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for added security. Once submitted, the transaction will be broadcast to the Bitcoin network. Depending on network congestion, it could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour to confirm. Head back to Exmo and check your wallet. Once the Bitcoin arrives, you're good to go. Remember, stay vigilant against scams and keep your accounts secure with strong passwords and hardware wallets. That's it for today's guide. By following these steps, you'll have successfully transferred your Bitcoin. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.